School Green project, helping out the Blue Water Baltimore organization. We've got about 3/4 acre of pavement coming up, and another contractor is taking up the pavement. We're going to be in here taking up the gravel, getting down to trying to find the soil, and Monday it's going to be a big event, a lot of volunteers coming in. In the heart of Hamden.